I'm going to show you how to automatically save stories on your Instagram. So let's go to our Instagram. We can go to our profile at the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you want to go to the three lines at the top right corner. So once this loads up, you want to scroll down until you find where it says archiving and downloading. And so here's where you're going to be able to save these stories. So what you want to do is save story to archive. Make sure this is toggled on. This way you can have those stories in Instagram in your archive if you want to watch them, if you want to repost them. I think it is also a good idea to turn on save story to camera roll. That way you also have them on your camera roll in your phone, just in case you want to upload these to different social medias. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy. As it says, it automatically saves photos and videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone. But this gives you the option for both, so you can have them in the archive, but you can also have them on your actual gallery on your phone. But that's it. Super simple and super easy.